On last Monday, July 18th, a severe storm caused damage in southeastern Alberta, Canada, leaving thousands of Medicine Hat residents without power. Alberta Emergency Alert says a storm has caused damage to homes and vehicles in the southeastern corner of the province. Videos posted on social media show the heavy rain and strong winds as the tornado approached. The city of Medicine had said on social media that a number of power lines along the northwest side of the city were affected, knocking out electricity to approximately 7,600 customers. Officials are warning people to be on the lookout for funnel clouds and take precautions. Environment Canada had several thunderstorm warnings and watches in effect Monday afternoon for areas across southern Alberta. It had said the thunderstorms could produce strong wind gusts, large hail, and heavy rain. The warnings included Cypress Hills Provincial Park, as well as the areas around Medicine Hat and Hannah, Alta.
This is bad. Oh my gosh, the tree branches fell.